Okay.
Okay, my son's a bodybuilder. He's had this problem with gynecomastia for a couple of years. It's been bothering him. So he phoned me up a couple months ago and he was talking to me on the phone and he said, Mom, I'm going to New York. I said, why are you going to New York? He said, because the absolute best surgeon, Dr. Blau, is in New York and that's the one I have to see. I said, come on, don't we have a surgeon closer to home? We live in Vancouver. And he said, there are surgeons here, Mom, but they don't get it all. This is what his research said. And they leave a scar, and it's very important for Taylor that he doesn't have a scar because of the bodybuilding. So he said, I have to go to New York because I'm only going to see the best. I said, okay, I'm going with you. And we went. It all seemed to do fine, go well. Dr. Blau says everything worked out. He did very well. And I'm happy, and Taylor's going to be extremely happy.
Thanks a lot. And when are you going back to Vancouver?
We go back on Friday.
On Friday. Okay, but he's going to do very well.
Good, well, thank
I
you.
promise.
We appreciate
Okay.
it.